right, today we're going to bring a pool vacuum. It has a couple of brushes to brush the whole system out and the suction where everything's going to go. Now, you are going to need to charge it up prior to using it, and this is going to last you for many minutes, of course. And of course, they give you an extra filter, so you don't have to, you could take that one off and then replace it with this one, wash this one and replace it, clean it out, rinse it out. They give you instructions how to put it together. Pool's instruction is very simple. On and off button is very simple. And if you guys can see that, charging is hidden right here. So when if you see it on, it covers the actual charging station. And when you bring it back up, it turns off. So we're gonna put this together. The vacuum is very long, so you can extend it as much as you want. It's really high, if you guys can see. It goes over 6 feet. So you could shrink it down if you want, shorter. You tied it up every corner. So very light, it's lightweight. Turn it on. Grab as much as you can. It takes in water. You see the water, vacuums the water up. Once you take it out of the water and you let it dry up for a while, it's very simple to just remove the thing. You handle here, pull it here. You guys can see that. And then this one, it unclips. Here's a bag, here's a filter. Got a couple dirt in the bottom that we're going to clean it out. But very simple. It sucks in, doesn't push us out, so the debris will not come out. And another thing that's great, they have a shorter handle if you want to shorten it up for smaller pools or above water pools, above ground pools, instead of large deep pools. But I like that you could carry this out. It comes apart. Very simple, easy to put together. I hope you guys enjoy the video.